guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on this cute chocolate cut crease look. It's really giving me Hershey's right now. Like, it's giving Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, like, you know, like it's giving golden ticket tea. So that's what we're giving. If you're new here, I'm Shania. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also hit that bell button so you guys can get notified for whenever I post. And yeah, what else? Oh, also I have a new little setup, a new background going on because I finally have my beauty room together a little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys will like this new setup. So without any more talking, let's just get into the video. Okay. I was gonna do like a get rid of like chit chat video, but I honestly don't have anything to talk about, and I forgot to ask Twitter and Instagram, so we're not gonna do that today. I think I'm gonna use my amrezy palette again, just because it literally has like every shade that I need right now. So the first color I'm gonna go into is OG. I'm going to take my Morphe M441 brush and I'm going to pick up the shade 1988, which is this like darker brown right here. And I'm just going to use that to deepen my crease. Am I doing a cut crease? I don't know. Am I? Let's do a cut crease today. I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease real quick. Since the amrezy palette doesn't have like a cream matte, I'm going to take the soft glam palette and I'm going to grab the shade Orange Soda mixed in with burnt orange, and I'm going to pop that on my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take that 1988 shade and Yugo, and I'm going to use that to smoke out my lashes. I'm going to finish my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, right back. Okay, and this is just really random, but before I apply my lashes, I actually want to use this Urban Decay Space Cowboy shadow. It like puts like a little hint of glitter on top of like any shadow you use, so that's what I want to do real quick. I don't know, make it pop a little bit. Yes, without like changing the color. Ugh, I love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and color correct. I've been loving color correcting lately with my Cakes concealer from Benefit in the shade 12. I use this ColourPop F4 brush to blend this out. So my camera turned off while I was setting my face, but I set my color corrector in with my all-nighter waterproof setting powder from Urban Decay. This stuff is literally so bomb. Like, I've already talked about it in a few videos, but it's fire. Like, it's so fire. And whenever you color correct your face, you always want to make sure that you set it with a loose translucent powder, or like any translucent powder, because if you don't, it's gonna slide around everywhere and it'll be no purpose because your foundation is just sliding all of the color corrector everywhere. So anywho, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Luminous foundation in the shade 500C, and I'm just taking a little bit of this since I already have like a pretty good amount of coverage from that concealer. Okay, so for concealer today, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. It's a correcting concealer. I've never even paid attention to that. I'm still going to use it though. And I'm using it in this shade 70 NY. I think that means neutral yellow. I'm sure it means that. Like, what else would it mean? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep. Now I'm gonna go in and what am I gonna do? My brain literally froze. Use my translucent powder from ABH. No, I dead ass feel like I've been doing my makeup for so many hours. And the brush that I'm using is the 140 wavy brush from Makeup Forever. This brush is bomb, okay? Bomb. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I want my inner corner wing to be brown, just to go with the brown chocolate situation that we have going on. I'm gonna take my amrezy palette again, surprise. And I'm gonna grab the shade 1988 with a tiny little brush, and I'm just gonna do a little inner corner wing. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. And I'm gonna take my ABH blush trio in the shade Berry Adore. I'm just gonna do some of that, just a little bit. And I'm really actually just focusing that more on the outer part of my cheek, not on my apples of my cheeks. Okay, finally, we're gonna do lips. And for lips today, of course, we're doing gloss, but I'm gonna line my lips with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brown Liner. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay liquid liquid. No, I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Gloss in the shade Shadowheart. I'm gonna take some of that. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love the way this look came out. Like, it's giving me chocolate. It's giving me Hershey's. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, you know, share the video, do all that good stuff. Comment down below what you guys want me to film next. Of course, you guys can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all makeup by Shania, and I'll leave all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video.